Hi everyone, today I will share with you 7 essential basic tools you need to start baking cake as a beginner. First, you need baking pans in different shapes and sizes, and this is one of the baking equipment you would really need. Secondly, you need silicone spatula. They are soft and flexible and very gentle on your mixing bowls and pans, and they also scrape the batter nicely. The third one is our measuring cups and spoons. These are very essential for measuring accurate, ingredients. And if you don't want to use measuring cups and spoons, you can use measuring scales. They're digital and there's manual one. And the fourth one we have is our mixing bowl. It's also very, very important to have mixing bowls for mixing all your ingredients together. And the next thing you will really need is an electric mixer. This is so essential because at times you're trying to mix butter and sugar, trying to cream, you need something that can last longer because your arms might be tired if you're using a whisk. And last but not the least is our oven, either electric or gas oven. So all these are very essential for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.